to Kids Creative TV. Today I will be showing you how to make your own volcano. Well, it'll only last for 1 minute or a second or something like that. Though the effect is amazing. It's kind of like the firework of science. Today I have my little sister who's going to be my assistant in the making. So, the things you will be needing for this is a spoon, some food coloring, or you can call it food dye, some baking soda, also known as bicarb soda, and some vinegar. Any type of vinegar is good, but especially white vinegar. That's why we have a bottle here. I don't know what type of vinegar is the best, but any vinegar is good. It just has to be vinegar, I guess. So we'll start by opening the top. When you're gonna put in the vinegar, it's probably a good idea to put it in the sink because this stuff is gonna get messy. So we are gonna read this book for the instructions because this book has the instructions for it. Here it is. So step 1. Alright, so put it in a spoonful of baking soda. That will be a piece of cake. Alright, added a spoonful. So we'll add one more spoonful because this spoon is really small. So, okay, that should be good. Now you can put in a color. You can have more than one color of food dye, you guys. I want a purple volcano and blue and pink or blue and red makeup. So let's do this. Just add 2 drops, you guys, or 1 drop if you want. You don't want that much color and you want a light one. All right, Twinkle, do you want to help me with the mixing? Yep. I can. Oh, this is right. I want you. Twinkle. This is really hard to mix. Okay, you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some more food coloring and I'm going to shake it up in the jar so the color will get in. Okay, so you guys, I am shaking it up because the mixing, well, the spoon is too small enough. All right. All right, I'm pretty happy with my color. It's a pretty light shade and it's pretty cool. Okay. Here it is. So then so we do this a few more times. All right then. We'll put the book away. Now you guys, if you spill a bit of the baking soda, that is okay because it will only be a small bit. So this food coloring is running a bit low, though we can still make this. Alright, you guys, we're going to take this part off camera for a little while because this will take a long time. Hi, you guys. So we have finished shaking and now we are going to pour in the vinegar. So let's go. Okay, you guys, I am going to pour in the vinegar. Alright, you guys, it's starting. Come on. Okay, you guys, you may have not liked it that much because it was just a bunch of bubbles bursting, but I love bubbles. Like, they're so amazing, and I really like bubbles, so that was amazing. Okay, you guys, I have made one more lava volcano, bubble volcano. So we are going to pour in the vinegar again and see what happens. Wow, this one has way more color. So I really enjoyed doing this experiment, you guys, and I am giving it 4 stars. I would have given it 5 stars, so the only reason I'm doing this is because the color wasn't that vibrant. Though I would give it 4 stars and a half a star for the 5. Okay, you guys, I'm so glad we made the lava bubble volcano again and again. So I hope you enjoyed it, watching how to make your own volcano. Well, maybe I should say bubble volcano. So remember to give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe. It's free, by the way. And click the notification bell so you always know when I have a new video. And bye! Until my next vlog.